Hi, today we'll talk about how to read a schematic diagram or laptop. But first we must know the code of laptop motherboard component. For example, here F mean fuse, sometimes come in here PF, that's mean power fuse. It's looking like this. L, it's mean indicator or coil, and it's showing like this. PC, P it's mean power, C it's mean capacitor, power capacitor, and C is also like this. PCH, platform control hub, stuff like this. PD, power diodes, stuff like this. Also PL mean power indicator or power coil, stuff like this. And PQ, P mean power, Q mean transistor, look like this picture. And PR, power resistor, look like this. And PU, P power, U integrated circuit, power integrated circuit, also look like this. Q transistor, R resistor, T transformers, look like this. New integrated circuit and VGA chip, embedded control wires, etc. look like this. X terminal strip, termination joint, Y's crystal, look like this.